How to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So, unfortunately, iPhone doesn't have the option on Facebook in which you may be able to change the quality settings of your upload. However, on Android users, you may choose or download the Facebook Lite and you have the change option on your settings of your Facebook. So now, what I would suggest is simply a alternative tutorial for that one. So you just simply go to settings and then scroll down until you can see camera right here and make sure to choose the record video right here, and then you may choose the high efficiency option right here. So make sure to choose the high efficiency as well as on record slow-mo or the formats. I will choose high efficiency instead of the most compatible option right here, since the most compatible option will reduce the size or the quality of your pictures or your video. So make sure to click on high efficiency so that whenever you take pictures or videos, you may upload them on Facebook on a higher quality. So that's it. That's how you can upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.